past the place that you come from, far beyond what you've seen, is a town like your town, if your town was a dream. Only it's not a dream, or a hoax, or a ruse. It is Christmas in Whoville, the home of the Who's.
Fresh peppermint bread! Oh, hey, Marge!
Morning, Fred! Smells like Christmas.
Whoa, where are you going?
Hey, Tom, good to see you, Dad.
Wreath man! Here you go, kid. Have a wreath.
Oh, cool!
Merry Christmas to you.
Have a great day, dear.
You too, hon. See you tonight.
Yes, Whoville is great. That is known far and wide. And 3 weeks through December, this place hits its stride. Yes, the Who's down in Whoville like Christmas a lot. But the Grinch in his cave north of Whoville did not.
Max!
Yo, mean one, you really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as an eel. Mr. Grinch, you're a bad banana with the greasy black peel. You're a vile one, you got termites in your smile. You have all the bitter sweetness of a seasick crocodile. You're a foul one, friends you don't have. I wouldn't touch you with a 39 and a half a pole. You're a monster, your heart's an empty hole. You got garlic, you got garlic in your soul. All them smiles, homie, I turn up frowns. All them decorations, I tear them down. You can ask Max, I don't play around. Hey, who is this mean fellow with his skin all green and his teeth all yellow? What you so mad for? Halloween come around and we ain't knocking at your door, man. You gon' spoil everybody. Who is this mean fellow with his skin all green and his teeth all yellow? What you so mad for? Halloween come around and we ain't knocking at your door.
I am starving. Huh? Max, what is this depressing bean? No. That's impossible. You can't be out of food. What? Where's my personal reserve of moose juice and goose juice? My emergency stash of hoo hash? My secret slew of frozen hazelnut stew? I specifically bought enough food to last until January. How much emotional eating have I been doing? No, I won't. I will not. I am not going to Whoville during Christmas! Fine. But I'm going to despise every second of it. Come on, Max.
Yes, the Grinch hated Christmas. The whole Christmas season. Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. It could be his head wasn't screwed on just right. It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight. But I think the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
Now, remember, Max, this is the time of year when the Whos are at their most deceptive. You have my full permission to attack anyone who so much as says one kind word to us.